Hey besties, it's your girl One Seven Pature, and I am back with another video today.
Today's video is actually an unboxing video from Amazon. I got me two stuff and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, so don't go anywhere. It's this part that you're seeing, basically, yeah, the window and this space in the room. This is actually where we reach in, fix it up. Remember I told you guys that I have to finish getting my living room together and my dining room and my kitchen for the my entire house have to be ready before December. So we have a limited time and we don't have a lot of money, so we just have to take our little time and do this. So presently, right, I got that out of the way, which I'll show it to you guys, the table. Now I'm gonna be doing the drapes, the curtains for here and whatnot, and after that I'll be putting my couch right here, and then a few paintings and some cushions, because I want to change out these cushions, so I'm gonna get me some other cushions and whatnot, and then that would be it. So let's go. This is the first one. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you.
Okay, besties, so yes, I am almost through fitting this curtain rod up, and it wasn't hard at all. It was one of the easiest thing I had to set up for my apartment. I love the color gold. It just, it's just simple, cute, and nice. Look at it. And I got the right length also, so I did made a proper decent buy. Yeah, and I'm super excited and just cannot wait for this part of my living room to be complete. It's gonna be lit, guys. By December, it's gonna be something to talk about. I'm coming with something different over that side, trust me. Okay, so now we are unboxing the curtains, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so upon opening the curtains, I realized that I only got 2 panels when I thought it would be 4. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go back and purchase some more. So what I did not do, don't make that mistake, I did not measure my window.
I thought they said that 2 of these was gonna be in each. So then it would ended up being 4. This is not real. So I'm gonna have to purchase 2 more of this because it has to be 4 because I don't want it to. And I think the curtains are too long. They are too long. But I don't want to send them back because I love these. These are like velvet-like. And up here is silver. But I'm gonna see what I can do about it because I was actually planning on taping around here and then spray them into gold. So let's see how I'm gonna get that done.
Alright guys, so I did not spray anything. I went ahead and I put up the curtains just like that. I not even did press them because I tried pressing them and the iron nearly burned my curtain. Can y'all believe that? So now I'm gonna have to invest in a steamer. Yes, because I can't put on my new sheet as yet because I want the steamer to press it out so it can look really, rich and nice. So yeah. So this is me folding back the curtains. I went ahead and I purchased 2 more curtains. The 2 curtains come and there are 4 curtains now, and guess what? It still don't suit me. I still want 2 more. So eventually, I need 6 curtains to be at the window so it can look the way that I want it to look. And the next problem is the curtains are too long. Yeah, stay tuned for a little cute little frame that I bought today at Ross, and I wanted to show it to you guys. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for it. Are you ready for the surprise? Tell me if y'all love it, okay? It's just simple and cute. I like it.
Let me open it over this side. So you guys can see what it looks like. See this?
Sometimes you buy some stuff and you really, really love it, and then after a while you don't love it no more. But I think I love the painting here no more. I should just follow my mind and wait until I can afford the type of paintings them I like. So as of right now, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna buy any more painting for now. I definitely don't like that one anymore. Yeah. And for the cushions in the couch, I'm going to change the cushions. I don't think I like them anymore either. Those 3 blue color ones, they weren't even supposed to be there, but because I couldn't afford to fill up the couch with the cushions them when I want, plus I just met them stay right there. So but I'm definitely gonna be taking them out. So by now and December I should have the kind of cushions that I want inside this couch, and it should look the way that I want it to look. So yeah.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart. How you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly. You're a butterfly. Butterfly. Wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly. Butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself.
Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Bye.